ready to go.
I wouldn't put your watch in there though. Hey, what? Dinner.
Dinner?
Dinner.
Where are we right now, Mom?
Pantheon.
Pantheon.
No, I couldn't. Can I just take a little?
Is it good, Con?
Yes, you put way too much though. I'm gonna lose it all.
Auto.
It was fire. Peach is the way to go. Always go fruits. I want chocolate. Don't go chocolate. Go fruits.
What'd you get?
Seafood pasta.
That's not the name of the test.
I don't know what seafood pasta is. Oh yeah, that looks good. Hotness.
Got some burgers. Got some cacio e pepe. Got a margarita pizza. Pizza?
Yeah. It's good, Sharon.
Very yummy.
Owen, what's
Welcome to Rome. We got here yesterday and we did a couple of things yesterday. We were all kind of jet lagged, but today's a new day and we're up and we're ready to go. So I'm actually so excited for this video. This is gonna be such a fun day and such a fun trip. Colin, what's the plan for today?
Yeah, breakfast. Chill with the Pope for real.
Mom, what's the plan?
what Cohen said?
Chill with the Pope and breakfast.
Yes.
Say we love Italy.
We love Italy. That is great. Why did we the castle? This is not
This is crazy. This is so cool. So cool. So cool. Got back, we took a break, and now we're at the Coliseum. Shoot back.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so we just got back from all of our tours. It's getting later at night. We had such a good day. This morning we did the Vatican and Sistine Chapel, and it was absolutely gorgeous. And we also did St. Peter's Basilica. It was so pretty. And then in the afternoon, we went to the Coliseum. It was so freaking hot. We were all dying. It's like 35 degrees out. That too was incredible. A different kind of incredible than like this morning. This morning was very artistic, as opposed to like the Coliseum was very like architectural. And then we got an Uber home. We did get some gelato to try to boost the mood, but I think we were so tired. But now we're back and we took a little break, but I think we're gonna go down and get some dinner now. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and this is the balcony from the hotel. Not the hotel, the Airbnb, which it's been such a blessing. It's gorgeous. And then in like 30 minutes, my friend, my exchange student from when I was 16 is coming, and I haven't seen her since I left, so it's been over 2 years, and I'm incredibly excited. It still doesn't feel real. It's been such an amazing day. I feel so grateful, and I can't believe we're only 2 days in. That's crazy. There hasn't been much talking in these videos because I feel kind of weird talking to a camera out in public, but I hope you're still enjoying all of the scenery. I try to do some little commentaries, but maybe I'll put in some voiceovers later, who knows. Anyways, stay tuned. Love you guys. You say hi? The Pantheon at night. Pantheon at night. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Excited? Hello. Hi, vlog. We are in Mykonos. We're in Mykonos. Yeah. Where are we today?
We are in
Mykonos.
Mykonos, Greece.
What are we doing? What's the plan?
We're walking around. We're about to go see some windmills.
Some windmills.
Bye, we.
What? Anything else?
I think we're going shopping or something, taking some pictures, you know.
Shopping pictures.
Yeah, shopping. We need shopping. We need dress, you know.
Hot take, I think I can swim the ship from here. Oh, I think I can. We are in Greece right now, in the streets of Greece.
Taking a video of his meal.
So good, they put the French fries on there. How do I even come at this thing? Logical standpoint here. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna check in the store.
Yes.
Oh,
Is it good?
oh my god, yeah.
Can I try one bite? Never mind, I'll take that.
Hey guys. So 2 days ago, we got on the cruise.
Yeah.
And it was so much fun. We had one full day where we just hung out on the boat. That was our only day.
Swimming on the pool.
Yeah, swimming in the pool.
And
Which,
eat.
yes, we've ate so much food. And then today, we went to Mykonos. How did you feel about Mykonos?
It was amazing. We ate ice cream. Not ice cream.
Gelato.
A gelato. It was amazing. About a dress.
You did.
So yeah.
Yeah. And we also tried a gyro, which was very yummy, and saw the windmills, except the windmills weren't working.
And we were outside with Tessa's grandparents. No, we were in the French bistro.
Yes, we went to the French bistro for dinner.
It was so good.
It was very good. And tomorrow the goal is to eat breakfast because
Yeah.
every day we sleep in and we haven't had breakfast yet.
No, we want waffles.
Yes,
Nutella.
waffles. That will be our motivation to wake up. Okay.
What else? What else? And I don't know. It's the guys. You know what? I'm gonna shut up. Bye.
Bye. Mwah. Hello. Hello. We are on our way to the Acropolis. She's got her fancy earring. We're very
It's
excited.
gonna be very excited, very sports, very
a lot of stairs.
very sunny.
A lot of heat.
Yeah,
but
excited.
Excited.
The funny word, like pumpkin.
Oh, oh my gosh, what pumpkin is? Citrouille. Citrouille.
Hello.
Hello.
We are in Santorini.
Yeah.
We just got on the bus. We took a boat over from the big boat.
And now we're in the bus.
Yes. And it is very beautiful.
Yeah.
And we're going up the big
In Oia. Oia.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Hey.
It is so crazy busy. Another mode of transportation to add to the list.
Straight down. This is actually straight down.
I'm just gonna get a full shot of your butt.
Hey, you got a problem? I got a majestic. We'll just get a majestic. Oh yeah. Cohen's just staring at me down. Majestic. We gotta go on this side. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Where can we point?
Hi, loves. Sorry, I just stepped out of my room quickly because I wanted to give an update. Today we went to Santorini, and it was so gorgeous, but so busy. Way too many people. That's okay because we still got to see the sights, and I'm excited to come back one day and go like backpacking and be able to stay and see things for longer. But for now, it was so gorgeous, and I had such a great day. I'm going to bed now for another exciting day tomorrow. Good morning. We are in Malta. We're in Valletta, Malta. I'm sitting on my parents' front porch reading Perks of Being a Wallflower, having some coffee. We're getting off the ship in an hour to go to the city, but we don't have this view from my room. But look at how absolutely stunning it is here. I was so amazed this morning when I got up. I wasn't expecting Malta to be this beautiful, but it's so gorgeous, and the port is incredible. Absolutely incredible. So, I'm excited for a good day. We don't have any tours booked today. We're just wandering around, which I think is going to be awesome. And yeah, I can't wait for another great day. Are we?
Malta.
Holy jumping.
Oh yeah, reasonable.
It's a lot.
We did some shopping. Success. See the ring? Very pretty. Okay, so today we are in Sicily. We have a tour, and the tour is walking around and then seeing some sights. Excited? Hey! Say hi, Grandpa.
Top of the morning.
We got, I don't know what this is. This, and Aaron's
It's a pizza.
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 Pizza. Good morning. It is the morning after Sicily. Oh, what a dream. It was stunning. But it was a very feel-good place. Like, that was somewhere I would definitely want to go back to and visit more. It was sad the little time we had, but we had a lovely drive up through the mountains all the way there, and I don't know, it was really cute and cozy, and I got a really great painting that I'm really excited about. Anyways, afterwards I spent some time reading and journaling, which was always nice. And then today we're in Naples and we're getting a tour of Pompeii, which is so crazy. Yeah, see you in Naples.
That's so pretty.
Welcome back to my bed. So, yesterday we finished up in Pompeii. It was super cool, way bigger than I thought it would be. We only saw a tiny little portion. We were there for like 2 hours. But it was a good day, hot, but super interesting. And I think we all learned something. But today, as you saw, me and Ines went to Florence. We went just the two of us because most of my family has been there already, but it was also super awesome just to be there, the two of us. We drove in, it was like an hour and a half drive, and then once we were there we had like bus tickets, but for the most part we just walked around. My camera broke in the middle of it. Not like it's not broken, but it just started malfunctioning and I got so scared, but that's why the videos look a little different. Anyways, I had a wonderful day. Sadly, tomorrow is our last day. I cannot believe it. I can't even talk about it right now. We'll talk about that tomorrow. But tomorrow is Monaco. So excited for our last day. So our last day was in Monaco and Canes, and it was absolutely gorgeous and such a wonderful end to our trip. But sadly after that, we had one last family dinner, we packed up all of our stuff, and we flew all the way back home. It's the next day, and I'm currently taking off all the videos on my camera, and it's so bittersweet. I can't, like, it actually went by so incredibly fast. I hope everyone enjoyed this video as much as I did filming and making it, because it was honestly the best trip of my entire life, and I was so grateful to get to spend all that time with my family and to see those incredible places in the world. Like, it was insane. So I love you guys. Thank you.